All right, let's do a subflooring update. And yeah, the subfloor is all down, nice and sound. And today's goal is I'm going to first plan out where all of my electrical is going to go. Yeah, so the switch for this fan, I don't want to ditch this fan. I don't want to ditch that fan. It works. Got to figure out where this is going to go. Thinking I'll put it wherever's easiest over here. I got to make a path for my lights electric maybe. I don't know. But this has to get moved over to here. And I guess this could be used for, once this wall goes up, there's going to be a TV here for the bedroom. There's going to be a TV here for the bedroom. It'd be nice if that electric was further over here. There's a beam there. All right, let's draw my wish list places. No big deal, I'll just channel them out. So, as a for instance, tape measure is in the other cabin. All right, so let's approximate. Perfect. One pencil height down for the outlet. Bring this closer to here. This is where this outlet will go, next to this beam. TV. What do I have for electric on this wall? Nothing. The air conditioner AC. The air conditioner electric need to be local to this. Which way does that electric come from? It comes from that side. So ideally, that's pretty solid. AC electric. Here. Where's there a beam? There's a beam. Here's another beam. Let's say here. AC. That's the AC. There's no plugs over here. No plugs. All right, so lights. Lights. Where do we want to put the lights? This will be the lights. This will be the electric for the lights. Gonna go up this way. Up this way and to here. Wherever the center line is for this. Looks like it's someplace over here. That's light number one. Light number two. I don't want lights right over the bed. I don't want lights right over the bed. How about one light there? One light here? One light here. Do I want them far away or close to each other? That's something to think on. All right. Let's open up some more light in here. All my electric has to be in place before this sheetrock. I'm not going to rush doing my electric just so I can hang the sheetrock, because then I'll regret it later and I'll have to run it behind the sheetrock, and that's much harder. Got one outlet here. Got one outlet here. That's for the fridge. All right, that's fine. Outlets over here. No outlets in this room. There's one there for the, there's going to be one there for the TV. There's going to be one there for the AC. I mean, I got electric here already. Might as well keep that here. I got two. I'll space those out evenly. There's two outlets for the room. Let's say the bed is here. The bed is here. There's an outlet for charging. That's okay. Here's the outlet for the AC. Do I need more outlets? You definitely need one here. Another outlet. Come on, one more outlet. Need an outdoor porch outlet. All right, what's the most vital? Ceiling. Do the ceiling, electric, take a break, put up the ceiling sheetrock, but I might need to. That's it. We're going to start with the ceiling. Do this switch and the lights. That's it. Start exploring. Get a mask on. These are good for. These are good for light duty dust, like making sawdust. It'd be nice to know where this electric goes, and I'm using the beams anyways, so I can have a substantial. Got a brand new blade on there. I could have a substantial hole just to see what's going on. Where's the next beam? Right there. Let's see this first. Don't cut the wire. Don't cut the wire. Don't want to get stuff in my eyes. This wire goes all the way to there. Get that off of there. I know I need a pry bar, but doing it with pliers. Yeah. Plenty to do that. Let's just keep this all together. Put that right in there. All right. Might as well keep these in my pocket. We're doing electrical. Start building up the tools that I need. One less connection that I have to make. This one's already made. Huh. Insulation bullshit falling in my eyes. That's gonna fall. Take the faceplate off that. You definitely use a white faceplate, so this can go. Throw them on the floor for a minute. Why not? You might regret ditching these so quick. All right, and this outlet screws into the wood, which is nice. I think I'll do that same method. Definitely save these screws. Steady, we don't want to get shocked just yet. No tape around this outlet. Save these screws. Gotta make a channel for this to get there. Do I have to make a channel for this to get there? This would still be inside the pantry. But if I change the pantry wall, I'd rather have this closer. Dummy, I wish I had more strength on that. Right there. I don't want to put it like this, but I'll get a stronger grab if I put it like that. Where's the next piece of wood? Channel this out. There's wires right there. Definitely don't want to hit those. Give me back my blade. Okay. Oh boy. Give me back my blade. Alright, there's our channel. Outline this box. Let's outline this box. That's centered. Nice. Slide now, baby. I need those lines. Okay. in there? Right, there's a freaking beam right there. Plenty of room left and right of it. Looks like it fits. Need the wires to get in there. I don't want to compromise the wood there. But the sheetrock's going to go over the top of it. This has to go over the sheetrock. That has to go over the sheetrock. Okay. Busted my ass just to save the work of rewiring that. I could just stick those wires through there and do all of that afterwards. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Just going to pull wires and leave it to put the boxes in afterwards. All right, that's enough of this.